Hello everyone, I'm Robert from bobthetradergpt.com. Today, I want to share what I believe are 5 major warning signs that every investor should be watching. First, geopolitical tensions remain elevated as U.S. military operations against Iran continue. Extended conflict increases uncertainty and keeps pressure on energy markets. Second, oil prices have surged toward $100 a barrel. Higher energy costs can feed inflation throughout the economy. Third, artificial intelligence spending is exploding, but many companies are still struggling to demonstrate meaningful financial returns on those investments. Investors are beginning to ask when the payoff will arrive. Fourth, we've already seen sharp market reactions to disappointing technology earnings. The market is becoming much less forgiving when expectations aren't met. Finally, my BOB technical indicators are showing increasing weakness in key markets. Gold has broken lower, and the Nasdaq is showing signs of heavy selling pressure. I'm not predicting the future, but I am saying the risks have increased significantly. Stay disciplined, manage your risk, and always trade with a plan. Let's look at the charts. The first chart is U.S. oil. Oil has climbed dramatically. When oil rises, transportation, manufacturing, and business costs often increase. That can put upward pressure on inflation. Now look at the U.S. dollar. The dollar continues to trend strongly higher. A stronger dollar tightens financial conditions and can create additional pressure on commodities and many growth-oriented assets. This combination of rising oil and a strong U.S. dollar is something traders should pay close attention to. If inflation remains persistent, the Federal Reserve could choose to keep policy restrictive for longer than investors hope. Markets will continue watching incoming inflation data and Fed communications closely. Meanwhile, my BOB indicators are showing increasing technical weakness in the Nasdaq while the U.S. dollar remains technically strong. Is this the beginning of a larger correction? We don't know yet. But the warning signs are becoming more difficult to ignore. This is why I call today a Bob Market Alert. Protect your capital, trade with discipline, and let the charts, not emotions, guide your decisions. And just in case there is a flash crash, red ink Friday in U.S. markets tomorrow. You heard the first warning here. See you in the next Bob Report.